In this module, we'll tackle some of the most frustrating challenges puppy and dog owners face: excessive barking, chewing, jumping, leash pulling, and separation anxiety. These behaviors can test your patience, but with the right techniques, you can turn things around. Let's get started. First, let's talk about excessive barking. Barking is natural for dogs. It's how they communicate. But when it becomes excessive, it can be a problem. To address this, you need to understand why your dog is barking. Are they bored? Anxious? Alerting you to something? Once you identify the cause, you can work on a solution. For example, if your dog barks at the doorbell, start by desensitizing them to the sound. Record the doorbell and play it at a low volume. Reward your dog for staying calm. Gradually increase the volume over time, always rewarding calm behavior. If your dog barks for attention, ignore them completely until they stop. Then, reward the quiet behavior. Consistency is key. Here, don't give in, even if it's tempting. Next up, chewing. Puppies chew to explore the world and soothe teething pain, but adult dogs may chew out of boredom or anxiety. To redirect this behavior, provide plenty of appropriate chew toys. When you catch your dog chewing on something they shouldn't, calmly take it away and replace it with a toy. Praise them when they chew the right thing. If your dog is chewing out of boredom, make sure they're getting enough physical and mental stimulation. A tired dog is a well-behaved dog. Try puzzle toys, interactive games, or a long walk before you leave the house. Let's move on to jumping. Jumping is often a sign of excitement, but it can be dangerous, especially with small children or elderly family members. To stop this behavior, turn away and ignore your dog when they jump. Only give attention, petting, talking, or eye contact when all four paws are on the ground. You can also teach an alternative behavior, like sit. When your dog greets you calmly, reward them with treats and praise. Another common issue is leash pulling. Walking should be enjoyable for both you and your dog, but pulling can make it a struggle. Start by teaching your dog to walk on a loose leash indoors where there are fewer distractions. Hold a treat by your side and reward your dog for staying close. Gradually move to more challenging environments, like your backyard or a quiet fur cull. If your dog pulls, stop walking immediately. Wait for them to come back to your side, then reward them and continue. This teaches them that pulling won't get them where they want to go. You can also use a front clip harness or head halter to make training easier. Let's talk about separation anxiety. This is a tough one, but with patience, it can be managed. Signs of separation anxiety include excessive barking, destructive behavior, and house soiling when you're away. To help your dog feel more comfortable, start by leaving them alone for short periods, just a few minutes at first. Gradually increase the time as they become more confident. Create a safe space for your dog, like a crate or a cozy corner with their favorite toys. Leave them with a special treat, like a stuffed calm, to keep them occupied. Avoid making a big deal out of arrivals and departures. This can heighten anxiety. Instead, keep things calm and low-key. If your dog's separation anxiety is severe, consider consulting a professional trainer or behaviorist. They can help you create a tailored plan to address the issue. Now, let's talk about *** homework. *** to help you put these techniques into practice. 1. Excessive barking. Identify the cause of your dog's barking and work on desensitization or redirection. Spend 10 minutes a day practicing calm behavior around triggers. 2. Chewing. Provide appropriate chew toys and redirect your dog whenever they chew something they shouldn't. Spend 5 minutes a day playing with your dog to reduce boredom. 3. Jumping. Practice ignoring your dog when they jump and rewarding calm greetings. Spend 5 minutes a day teaching sit as an alternative behavior. 4. *** leash. Pulling ***. Practice loose leash walking indoors, then gradually move to more challenging environments. Spend 10 minutes a day working on this skill. 5. *** separation anxiety. ***. Start leaving your dog alone for short periods and gradually increase the time. Provide a special treat or toy to keep them occupied. By the end of this module, you'll have the tools to address these common behavioral issues and create a happier, more harmonious relationship with your dog. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Celebrate small wins and don't get discouraged if progress is slow. Every dog learns at their own pace. In the next module, we'll dive into advanced training techniques and fun activities to keep your dog engaged and well-behaved. For now, take a deep breath, grab those treats, and start working on these challenges. You've got this!